Hello and welcome to this week's webinar episode. My name is Matthew Cox. I am the Technical Services Manager for CoreCommerce, and I have been with CoreCommerce since about 2015. I started out in support, and I've kind of moved through the channels. I've handled some sales and marketing as well. Today, we're going to talk about a brief overview of multi-shipping options and the benefits of that tool and the features that it provides. So some of the benefits that multi-shipping options can provide, it will allow for total customization over where and how to ship to your customers. It can help differentiate shopping cart abandonment. It can help increase your conversion rate with sales. Also, having a flexible choice in shipping methods can help build brand differentiation and loyalty for your customers. The benefit there, by offering those multiple shipping methods, you increase your chance of sales. And according to bizreport.com, about 95% said they would go elsewhere if there were not enough shipping methods to meet their demand for whatever product they happen to be ordering. With multi-shipping options, you can offer real-time rate quotes to your customers. Examples include USPS, FedEx, UPS, Canada Post, and various other options, freight, for example. You can also offer flat rate style shipping, such as order subtotal and order weight. Both of those use a range associated with a fixed shipping rate. So, for example, from $0 to $100 on your subtotal, you want to charge $15 for that. Or from 1 pound to 10 pounds, you want to charge $15. Also, as you add real-time carriers, the method list selection menu will expand, and it's going to give you every possible option that you could offer to your customers. You don't necessarily have to enable all of them, but they are there. Along with that, you can set up shipping groups or shipping zones, as some of you may know them as. This allows for a click and drag system where you can take any country or state and drag it to a new zone. You can additionally key in zip codes for a specific zone. Along with that, you can set up what's called wildcards. An example would be 370 asterisk or star. And this just simply means that any customer inputting 370 into their zip code, it's going to apply to that specific shipping zone. After saving your zones, you can then begin to edit each specific zone. The rates are defined on the product level. You can apply that globally. Along with that, if you do go to the product level, I do recommend enabling restrict shipping methods by product. And that just allows you to give a lot more finite detail on what rates you're offering to your customers. And maybe some products have specific shipping methods that others don't. Along with that, you can set up a method called per product shipping. Once you do that, in the product itself, in the inventory managed products shipping info section, you can enable this per product shipping and set a specific price for that product. There is also a selection item where you can tell the specific method that it is not applicable for that product, and it just simply would not display that rate for that specific product. With restrict shipping methods by product enabled, it will override that with whatever other methods you have set up as well. Some additional functions of the multi-shipping items: you can deduct coupons from the subtotal if a coupon is used. You can offer free shipping on up to 2 countries at once. You can set up an expiration date to automatically disable free shipping. So maybe you're just running some kind of promotion. Uh, Free shipping can also be given a unique name, in which case it would ignore whatever the existing shipping method name is. And the name does have to match the actual name. Otherwise, it will not be able to properly override that shipping method. You can also allow for shipping to certain PO boxes. You can show handling on checkout or both view cart and checkout. You can add surcharges to specific countries. You can restrict shipping codes by or restrict shipping by certain zip codes. It's slightly different than doing so in the shipping groups and using restrict shipping methods by product. This is more of a global function. If you're using UPS World Ship, there is an export, and it basically has all of the data formatted for that tool. And then you can also pad order weights with a minimum or maximum weight. And again, that setting is going to be global across every zone. And that's about it for the multi-shipping options overview. Does anyone have any questions on any specific process or feature within that tool set? All right. With all the questions out of the way, I do want to thank you for watching this week's webinar episode. You can always reach us directly to support@corecommerce.com with any questions, or if you have new ideas for webinars you would like to see. You can also access support material directly on corecommerce.com/support. Thank you.